failing to receive high engagement or even make a solid presence on social media platforms? Perhaps the reason is that your social media lacks quality content which your competitors already thrive on. In current times, social media is one of the best ways to build your audience. It can help you create brand awareness, increase traffic, build trust and loyalty of your customers, etc. But to enjoy the fruits of success, you must create a solid presence. And one of the best ways to do this is by creating great content that helps you stand out. Let's see how Mandala's incredible features allow you to discover ideas and make your social presence more appealing. Logging into Mandala, I have set up this campaign on cosmetics or beauty products. Let's say I sell these products and I want to learn what kind of content my competitors or other channels that sell beauty products prepare for their audience. What sort of content connects them better with the audience, and also find what sort of content are popular on each social media platform, whether it is image, whether it is videos that are more popular. Based on this information, then you can decide which platform to most focus on. As you can see, Instagram is receiving much higher number of engagement compared to other platforms. So maybe you can shift your focus from other platforms into Instagram. And of course, you can go ahead and look at the top channels from all different social media platforms and see what sort of content that they have prepared. Let's say if you want to go and see view the mentions, you can directly view it with the help of Mandala over here. See what sort of content they have prepared, what's the content style, whether they have used images or they have used reels. And of course, go ahead and do the same with other social media platforms. See whether the competitor or other channels have prepared the same content on their different social media platform, or whether they have managed to receive good engagement on other social media platform or not. Other interesting thing that you could do is, if you like any channel and you think their content is good and something that you could follow, definitely go ahead and add them as a focus channel. This way you can keep track of their past or future posts, see what sort of engagement they get, whether it is consistent or not, and what's the content style. Also, make sure to check out the top mentions. Now, these are the mentions from all the different social media platforms with high engagement. And of course, if you come across any of the mention that is interesting, you want to repurpose it or you want to use it later once you're done with collecting the data, you can add them as keep mentions and have a look at it later. To check the keep mentions, you go ahead on the mention console. In the advanced mention filter, you can go ahead and sort your results based on the keep mentions. Here you can see the mentions that you have kept from all different social media platforms. As you can see how this intuitive and all-in-one platform with such amazing features help you discover content ideas that are not only relevant but are also loved by your audience. With so much of the content and information already available on the internet, it is high time for all the brands, businesses, content creators, managers to stand out and to create their own unique identity. Getting all this information in such a short amount of time will not only allow you to be more productive with your task, but to also be creative with the data. So, if you haven't already signed up for Mandala, you can start your 7-day free trial at mandalasystem.com. For more queries, you can email us at sales@mandalasystem.com, and you can watch another interesting videos on Mandala in Mandala Academy. So that is all for this video, and I will catch you next time.